Beauties. My name is Asia, your favorite homegirl. Yes, I am. And if you don't know, I am more than just a nail tech. I am an entrepreneur trying to build her 7 streams of income, and I want to encourage you to do the same. Yes. So as you guys can tell from the title, we are going to be talking about how to become a successful entrepreneur as a nail tech. So if you're interested in hearing what I got to say, girl, I'm going to need you to go ahead and keep on watching. Yeah. Okay, so you ready to hear what I got to say? There's only 3 things. Only 3. And hear me out, okay? Hear me out. All right, so the first thing that you need to do to become a successful entrepreneur as a nail tech is open up your mind. Open your mind up. And what I mean by that is, if you're one of those nail techs that's making $1,000, $1,400 a week, and you like, oh, I'm bringing $5,000 to $6,000 home, whatever amount you're bringing, like let's say whatever amount it is, and you're just satisfied with that, I need you to open up your mind. Okay, I don't know about you, but I need more money than that. Okay, so I open up your mind, realize that there's more out there than what's just right in front of you. I'm not here to change your mind. I just want to offer a different way of thinking or a different way to go about things, because like they say, there's more than one way to skin a cat. Okay, so it's just open up your mind, go beyond your back door, beyond what you instantly just open up your mind, broaden your horizon. Know that you have access to the whole world and take advantage of that. Okay, so that's my first thing, my first one, and that is open up your mind, broaden your horizons. Okay, tip whatever number 2, and I think this is the biggest one. You are more than just a nail tech. Hear me, because I don't feel like you heard me. You're more than just a nail tech, girl. Yes, like when I say broaden your horizon, girl, I don't mean broaden your horizons as a nail tech. I mean, if you want to, great. But also know that you as an individual, like, you're bomb.com. Yeah, so therefore, like, if you realize that you're more than just a nail tech, if you want to do other things, it doesn't necessarily have to involve around nails. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're more than that. That's all I'm going to say. Like, you're more than just a nail tech. You don't do nails 24/7. There's other things that you can offer. You're bomb and great and knowledgeable and other things, just nails. That don't mean that you, just because you're a nail tech, that don't mean that you have to do nails all the time. Just because you work at McDonald's don't mean you flip burgers all day long. Okay, so you're more than a nail tech. And my last tip, my last one, this went by really fast, is that I think this is the biggest, the key. Hear me, it's the key. You ready? The moment that you decided, whether you're a nail tech, or you're a beginner nail tech, or you're aspiring to be a nail tech, whatever it is, you want to be a nail tech? Great, be a nail tech. But the moment that you go to nail school, sign a paper and become a licensed nail tech, the moment you decide to pick up a brush, the moment you say, I want to be a nail tech and go after that shit, you have silently, I don't feel like people really mention this or say this, but on the dotted line in very small print, you are an entrepreneur. Hear me, you're an entrepreneur, okay? Forget the nail tech title. That's cute, you know what I'm saying? For the sake of me having it, I'm going to be a nail tech entrepreneur in bold cap, because I feel like nails, between the floor and the ceiling, there's not a lot of space in between. So I don't like to feel boxed in, so I'm going to be an entrepreneur. And that's what I want you to know, that you're an entrepreneur. And what I mean by this is, like everything I said ties in together. Open up your mind. Open up your mind, because you are more than just a nail tech. You are an entrepreneur. Hear me when I say that. Like, you offer so much more than just nails. And it's okay to go past nails, because I'm willing to put some money on it that half of these people that are coming to you to get your nails done are not coming to you because your nails are that bomb. I'll say between 2 to 5% of them. I feel like the other half is because there's something about you individually that makes them want to sit in your chair. So capitalize off of it. Duh. Like, open up your mind. Here we go. See how these three things are, these three things are very important because you need to open up your mind. You need to open up your mind and tell yourself, girl, I am more than just a nail tech. You ain't gonna box me in. That's not what's gonna happen. And you know why I'm more than just a nail tech? Because I am an entrepreneur. Yes, I am an entrepreneur. And I'm not here. Listen, if you want to be in the nail world, be in the nail world. But be in the nail world as an entrepreneur and not just a nail tech. Like I said, I ain't trying to change your mind. I'm just trying to offer you a different way of looking at it. Okay? So, I want to say it one more time. One more again. One more again. One more again. Open up your mind. You are more than just a nail tech. I really want you to hear that. You are more than just a nail tech. You offer so much more than that. And when you become a nail tech, you are really becoming an entrepreneur. So when you become an entrepreneur, figure out a way to get your 7 streams of income, because that's how you really get by. Because I don't know about you, but $5 grand ain't enough for me a month. That's gonna make me live comfortably. But I want my big old house with my granite countertop and my 4 bedrooms with a basement. Girl, I got a lot on my list for my house, and that's just the house. Okay, we ain't even talking about the lifestyle, the car, none of that. So I'm gonna need more than that. I don't know about you, but I need more than that. And it ain't all about money, but then again, you know, I got kids, I got things to live for. We got bills, baby. So yeah, I digress. I hope this video helped you. I know it went by pretty fast. I don't have much to talk about on this, but if you like this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. And then in the comment section, leave me some purple hearts and hashtag Let's Be Homegirls. I'll see you guys on the next video. Toodaloo.